Hey guys, Jack here. Welcome back to another video. This is the first actual installation video that I'm actually going to do on my channel. I know in the past I have said I was going to make videos on what I was going to install into my truck. And obviously I just never made the video and I went ahead and started anyways. But this video is actually, I actually ended up buying a new brush guard because the other one was all messed up. I only bought it for like 60 bucks. From a family friend, and it was just falling apart and really wasn't in the best shape. So I just went ahead and bought a new brush guard, and I'll actually put a link in the description where I got it from. It's a brush guard made for the 88 to 98 Chevy K1500, C1500, whatever. It's made for that in the 90s model Chevy trucks, specifically not S10s, just Silverados and stuff like that. But as some of you know, I've actually installed a new hood. Actually, you guys didn't know that because I didn't make another video on it. But I installed a hood, a cowl induction hood. I had actually got the bottom balance, secondary bumper, whatever you want to call it, and believe it or not, I actually replaced that last, because I only had 3 front fender flares on my truck at the time, and it kind of looked a little silly, and I said I was going to replace them once I got that fender repainted. Well, the fender's repainted, and it took like almost a year and a half for me to get that other flare on there. The flare's on there, the truck's coming back together from what it was, because it was in rough shape. I'm just glad how far it's come so far. And like I said, this video is just going to be me putting together the brush guard and actually putting it on the truck. Here's the brush guard right there. There's the pieces. There's one over there. I have the hardware and whatnot. Just got to put together. The garage is a little bit of a mess, I know. I've been working on that too. I actually ended up replacing the garage door because the old one was old and it was off track and the rails were all messed up. So I went ahead and got all the hardware I needed and replaced it. I don't know how to set up a roof perfectly. So there's a little bracket right there that came from the old garage door. It kind of made my own little latch to keep it holding up. And I actually got a pair of vice grips on the rails over here as a secondary protection. Not that it's really going to do much. But anyways, this is just going to be kind of a time lapse of me putting together the brush guard because I know it's going to take forever. Anything I usually do on the truck usually takes forever. So, yeah, if you guys enjoy the video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. I should have a couple other videos coming up soon. Anyway, enjoy. Hey guys, so I just actually finished the brush guard. There's still a little bit of adjustments I need to do, but for the most part it turned out pretty good. Definitely going to need a little bit more adjustments, but I'm pretty proud with how it turned out. I'll go ahead and show you guys. Alright, so here it is. As you can tell, like I said, need some adjustments because number one, this should not be almost touching the bumper. It should be up a little bit higher. It mounted directly to the frame, and quite frankly, oopsie, quite frankly with you, I'm not gonna lie, I definitely like it. It looks good. Definitely proud of it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and well, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Hey guys, before we go, I just actually want to go ahead and show you, I actually ended up getting my LED lights hooked back up. I got them all wired back to where they were and everything. They may look a little bit offset, but it's not bad. I'll go ahead and show you guys. Alright, so here's the, here it is with the hood closed and everything. Here's the normal lights actually on. By the way, before we do this, just want to warn that if any of you have seizures or epilepsies, now would probably be a good time to look away, because I'm actually going to turn on the strobe. That's the strobe, that's the LED, that's the hood closed, that's the brand new brush guard. This truck has definitely came a long way, and I'm definitely proud of it. The only thing I really gotta work on now is the drivetrain. Other than that, I'm pretty much done with the truck. If you guys have any suggestions on what kind of transmission I should swap out instead of going with the 4L60E, because apparently from what I hear, they're not really the best for these trucks. I mean, this one's had almost 200,000 miles on it before second gear went out, so I don't know. But that's just from my experience. If you guys could once again give me a suggestion on what kind of drivetrain or transmission I should use for it, I'd definitely be more than happy. I'm going with, for right now, what I'm choosing for the moment. I got I think it's a monster transmission. I think that's what it's called. It's pretty much a, if I'm not mistaken, I believe it's a beefier version of the 4L60E. But other than that, I just want to go ahead and show you guys this and how far the truck has come along. Once again, if you guys enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe, and this is the the first thing I've done that actually showed you guys. Anyway, you guys have a good day.